Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to build a recommendation system with Perplexity AI. Whether you are looking to suggest products, content, or services, Perplexity AI can help you create a personalized experience for your users. So let's get started. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply signing up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner. Here select the settings icon. Now get to the top right corner, select API section. Now select docs and then select get started. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's recommendation capabilities. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. You can gather and prepare the data you need for your recommendation system. This might include user preferences, historical data, or product information. Integrate the Perplexity AI API into your recommendation system. Configure it to analyze user data and generate personalized recommendations based on their preferences. You can feed your data into Perplexity AI and configure the system to generate recommendations. This could involve setting up algorithms or models to match user interests with relevant items. Now test the recommendation system to ensure it provides accurate and useful suggestions. Fine-tune the settings to improve the quality of the recommendations. You can monitor the performance of your recommendation system and gather feedback from users. Use this feedback to make adjustments and enhance the recommendations over time. You can deploy your recommendation system to your website, app, or services, ensuring it integrates seamlessly with your existing infrastructure. And that's it. By following these steps, you can build a recommendation system with Perplexity AI, providing personalized suggestions that enhance the user experience and derive engagement. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.